today, because of time, we cut out one of the homework problems, which was completing problems shown in the website, and that happened because we needed to spend more time on understanding how the recommended way of solving problems is in our class. It's actually not recommended, it's required. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So what we'll do today is, or what we did today, is to practice in groups, our groups of 4, and then to try to do a simple problem as you see in the do now right here, and we are able to then understand a little bit more about how we're going to be doing density problems, which is part of chapter 2, the first part of the book. Okay, for all classes except period 6, I want you to know that I left out this section where I showed you how to solve using a proportion, and that was fine, except what I finally realized was going on is that people were trying to solve the problem using my method with the equal sign here. There is no equal sign between numbers in the way you're going to solve problems with my method. So I will show that method as I do it with period 6, and I'm going to leave out this, which you saw during class today. One of the things that was important to do today was figure out how to get a couple of basic things using my website. Tomorrow in class, we are going to do a rather extensive thing on how to use the website, and I will actually be using Google Chromebooks, and we're going to use the Chromebooks to actually navigate the website right here. Everybody will have their own computer at their desk. Very cool. Very nice thing. Okay? Now, this is the home page. When you go mrwiggerside.com/Kim, you're going to get the home page here, what's called the home page. This calendar we'll talk about tomorrow. There's some very nice features there that will help you through the semester. And homework is the thing that we're going to focus on. As you will notice as I go across, the little stuff down below, the submenus, are changing. So what you want to do is hover on, like if you want to see homework, you want to hover there. Yes, question? You can't see. Okay, I have to turn things on for my class because what I did was I froze the projector. Just a second. So now my class can actually see what I'm doing. This is being done during 6th period. So as I'm going across here, this is to the benefit of the students in the class. The submenus are changing down below. And so I'm hovering on homework because that's what I want to get to. And I'm going to go semester 1, okay, quarter 1. That's all the same thing. And when I click that, I'm going to get this list. And you'll notice these different school years. If you're, if it turns you on, you can go back and look at what I did for like 6-7 years back. But it's all there on this website. But the most important thing for you right now, and I'm going to make the screen larger, I'm going to magnify the screen so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about in class. Those of you at home could have seen it anyway, but you can see this little guy right here. This is magic for you, because at the end of each day, I upload the whiteboard file, which is what you're looking at during class time, and everything that I write there is going to be online. And you'll see what I mean in just a minute. I'm going to click here, and that opens up a PDF file, which shows you that Monday and Tuesday there was no school. Wednesday, first day of class, that was yesterday, of course, well, at the time I'm making the recording. And these screens should all look familiar to you. Stuff you did yesterday. Okay? How to leave class, etc., etc., etc. So at the end of today, or at the end of 6th period, I'm going to upload that file so it will be larger, and it will continue from where this one leaves off. This tells you how to do reminder, everything. Everything that we did, it's all there. Okay? So that is one of the real important parts of the website. The other thing is you can open up the week from here and you can see the whole week in the way that I keep the website. Come on, let's go. For some reason it's having trouble getting there. I'm going to pause the recording. Okay, so we had an internet outage for a moment and we're back online. So when we click on week 1, this is what you're going to see, and I'm going to make the screen smaller again so that we can see the whole screen. And that's important because, let's get this little guy out of the way, you can see every week, every day of the week here. This was Teacher Institute Day and so on. But you want to see what happened yesterday? There it is. You want to see what happened today? Here it is, except we left out the practice problems. I decided to leave that out. And if you wanted to tonight, look at the way Tyler DeWitt explains how I want you to do your work. That's great. He has a different way of explaining, and he's very, very good at it. And this, I wouldn't necessarily find that you would be that taken with it. We are going to go through this handout tomorrow, and I will be showing you, or you'll have a chance to work on it with the Chromebooks and see how this website works. So this is going to be a really good day tomorrow. And that's it for tonight, and look forward to seeing you in the morning.